Top 5 Best Underwater Drones on the Market. Number 1. Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. This is the smallest, really easy to use, plug, plunge, and play underwater drone. It is an affordable, travel-friendly and multi-purpose drone you can use for various water activities, be it diving, fishing, taking underwater photography, or yachting. The most notable downside is that it can only dive to a depth of 49 feet. This is the smallest and lightest, means portable, hence travel-friendliest drone. You can take it into a backpack and effortlessly carry it wherever you want to use it. With the Chasing Dory app, all you need is a smartphone to control your underwater experience. From your smartphone, you can control everything from diving, tilting, depth lock, and of course, camera settings and capture. 2 users can operate one Dory. You can have one person control the underwater drone's movements while the other operates the camera. This feature allows you to share the wonderful adventures with your close friend or family. The Dory app makes it quick and easy to share your underwater awesomeness and even live stream your underwater videos on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or your favorite social sharing platform. The Dory's Wi-Fi buoy connects wirelessly to your devices for up to 50 feet away, which allows you to control the ROV in real time. Number 2. PowerRay Wizard. Another great underwater drone to have is the PowerRay Wizard. Having won several design awards such as the prestigious Red Dot Design Award for 2018, you're sure to be getting a great-looking drone. However, the PowerRay isn't just about looks, as it packs a long list of great features. It has the PowerSeeker sonar fish finder, which helps you identify the location of fish and other marine life in a short while. With a diving depth of 230 feet, you're assured of finding the right area to explore. It has a 12MP 4K UHD camera for the best clarity for your pictures and videos. It streams in 1080p and in real time. You can get the 32GB or 64GB version if you need more storage. The one thing easy to notice is the fact that the PowerRay has a maximum speed of 4 knots a second. That's more than double what the competition offers. You thus easily catch up with runaway marine life without trouble. The battery lasts for a good 4 hours, which is more than enough for most expeditions. You can use it to seek fish, monitor divers, and other activities. The video stabilization mode enables the capture of clear and blur-free images and videos. It also features a hovering mode that can stay within 4 inches of your target. The powerful LED lights light up the water for accurate images. You have the Vision Plus app for Android and iOS devices for ease of control and viewing. Pros: PowerSeeker sonar fish finder, 4K UHD with a 12MP camera, 1080p real-time streaming. Cons: the vertical propeller may develop issues. Number 3. Geneinno T1 Underwater Drone Camera. The possibilities of this agile underwater drone are limitless when paired with a 4K camera that can capture 1080p at 30 frames per second and 4K at 30 frames per second. With a minimum 8MP still photo, the 4K Titan camera can capture both video and photos. Titan's camera comes with a 160 degrees wide-angle lens. This allows Titan to create cinematic 4K videos as well as stunning 8MP photos. Titan is a professional 4K camera with a 1/2.5-inch image sensor and 32/64G storage. It allows you to capture high-quality images and videos and share them anytime. You can pilot your underwater drone through a smartphone app. The app that Titan uses to communicate with its physical controller is available for both Android devices and iOS. You have the option to choose which filters you want to use. The f2.5 160-degree lens can be used with photos that aren't artificially lit from green or other colors. Wireless communication with the drone can be achieved at depths up to 50 m, or 164 feet, using a Wi-Fi module that plugs into the top side of the cable reel. You can stream videos at 30 frames per second to dry land using the cable as your control and communication. Number 4. Gladius Mini S Underwater Drone. Next in our review of underwater drones with the best cameras, we'll look at a middle-of-the-line prosumer drone, the Gladius Mini, made by Chasing Innovations. The Gladius Mini is an excellent underwater drone overall, with its angled mobility and speed. However, focusing on the camera specs itself is an entirely new discussion. The Gladius Mini is an interesting drone because it falls somewhere between a consumer and a prosumer drone. Professionals in the industry would absolutely benefit from using this drone. However, its price point isn't so high that consumers may not want to buy it. The reason why this drone is ranked among the best is because of its mobility, but also its supreme camera. It can capture stunning underwater photos and videos with a crisp 4K quality. The Gladius Mini's sensor consists of a 1/2.3 sensor. The aperture of the Gladius Mini is set at 3, the field of view of the Gladius Mini comes in at an impressive 95, the ISO of the Gladius Mini can go up to 3200, the Gladius Mini boasts a 12-megapixel rating. It shoots at 120 frames per second, and the 2400 lumen lights attached to the front will give you plenty of visibility on your dive to retrieve quality photos and videos. Number 5. Sublue WhiteShark Underwater Scooter with Camera. With a name like WhiteShark, you have our attention. It has an extremely user-friendly interface and controls which makes it easy to use, even for beginners. This is a great starter drone for anyone who is interested in discovering what it is, under the sea. This simple use means that it comes at a cheaper price than other drones. This is an even more attractive prospect for those who aren't yet sure if they like drones. Spoiler alert, you do. Despite its smaller size and weight when compared to other underwater drones, it comes packed with a surprising amount of power. It can explore for as much as 30 minutes with a sealed 11,000 mAh battery, and it's capable of reaching as deep as 40 meters. This gives you an extra 10 meters of proper range, which isn't even possible with more expensive products. Pros: excellent power for its size. Easy to steer. Floating device included for buoyancy. Cons: only one battery is provided.